afternoon, and today we have Stitch Fix. Love me some Stitch Fix. So my name is Robin and this is the channel. So Stitch Fix, you can get it whenever you want. I get a box and I return it and I get another box, or I keep it and then I get another box. So it's a $20 a month styling fee, or they pretty much offered everybody, I think it's a $49 annual styling pass, and you can get as many boxes as you want. They put in your return envelope in case you return items. In my case, sometimes I keep everything. You get a note from your stylist and your prices, which is sometimes not always the best thing. And then I got my bundle. You can tell it's summer because my bundle's so tiny. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I so appreciate it. If you like my video and its content, please hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of my future video. And if you're returning, thank you, thank you, thank you. You know how much I love and appreciate all of you. So Susie's been my stylist for quite a while. I never really read my notes online. I just kind of read them off camera. And I do have Susie again. So we'll put the stylist note aside and along with that nasty price sheet. Now, do you want to get free Stitch Fix? Well, if you refer people, and I have a link below where you can save like $25. So that's one way you can get it. The other way is there is an app out there called Fetch, and it's free. You just download the app. All your receipts, you scan them. The minimum is you get 25 points. But like if you go to the grocery store and you buy like Velveeta cheese, that could be worth 2,000 points. If you refer friends, you can get 2,000, sometimes you can get 4,000. So every time you hit 10,000 points, you can get a gift card to almost anywhere, but you can get a gift card to Stitch Fix. So for every 10,000 points you can get a $10 gift card to Stitch Fix. So what I do is I have been sandbagging my points, and I'm waiting to get that $100 gift card to Stitch Fix. So I will leave a link below for the Fetch app. Again, it's totally free, it's totally safe. They'll send you like deals. So if they have a deal at Walmart on items, if they have a deal on Amazon, you can link your Amazon. So if you buy a lot off of Amazon, it automatically loads your points from Amazon. It's the best thing. So I am trying to get to where I can get like an entire box for free. So how cool is that? Well, let's get into my Stitch Fix. So again, it's a tiny bundle, and I know exactly what's in here because they send you a preview now. They send you 10 items, and you can pick from those 10 items what you want, or if you don't want anything, they'll send you a surprise. Well, I've been kind of picking my items because I kind of know what I want. So the first thing is a pair of shorts. I've been putting on some poundages. You know, since my daughter-in-law was pregnant, I felt the need to, gain that weight with her. So I have a pair of Vegas shorts, and they're just really a plain pair with cuffs. So nothing special. And the next was, because it gets so hot here, was this top, and this is by Market and Spruce, and it was just a plain top. You can slip it on, and then I saw this. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like the material because it might be too clingy for me, but it has a pocket. I kind of like that look, and on the bottom, it flares out, but again, I'm not sure if I'm going to like the the material because it might make all my lumps and bumps, which there is a lot to show. And then I thought this was cute, another Market and Spruce. I like the color. It's got the keyhole back, but it's the same type of thing. It might show all my lumps and bumps, but throw on over a pair of shorts and you're done. And then the last, I just thought this was, again, pretty and simple. You can throw on, it's got the little back. And this was by Market and Spruce. So I think they were all pretty much like the same type of top. But just something to throw on for the heat. And if you wanted to put a cardigan over any of these, you can throw on a cardigan. So I got 4 tops and a pair of shorts, and I'll go do the try on. Okay, I'm back with the first outfit, and I am wearing the Market and Spruce Elaine Pocket Short Sleeve in blue and the Bigos Marley Mid-Rise Cuff Distressed Shorts in indigo. And this is the top I thought I might not like because it shows all the lumps and bumps. So I would have to wear, you know, like those tops underneath that pull in all those little lumps and bumps because it is clingy. And it has, oops, the pocket over here. And I like the top. It feels nice. It's just so clingy. So let me know what you think. If it's, you know, a little clingy back here, I can wear like a tank top underneath it, but then it defeats the purpose of being like a perfect summer top because I'm layering it. I would probably have to hand wash this and then take the steamer to get the wrinkles out because I wouldn't trust it in the washing machine. And this is a large. If I sized up, it might be a little too big. And then these are the shorts. I was wearing almost an identical pair that I think I got from Kohl's or somewhere. But these do fit good. You know, they're a mid-rise, so they push that up a little bit more, but they're very comfortable. They have, you know, they're long enough, and they have the cuff, which I hope would stay up. Some of the cuffs, you know, I have to kind of pull back up and lay flat, but I do like the way that they fit. So let me know what you think of the first outfit. Yeah, this top, I just wish it wasn't like a hugger of all things that I don't want on my body. So I will be right back with the next top. Okay, I'm back with the next top. This is the Market and Spruce Tantum high neck rib top in white. Again, this is a size large. I do like it. I'm just not sure if it's too short in the front. Again, I would probably have to hand wash this because I wouldn't want it to shrink, or I could put it on cold delicate, but it's super comfortable. Just kind of a throw on. It's high enough here, and it comes a little bit longer in the back. Of course, I couldn't gain any more weight. I still have those shorts on, and they're very comfortable. So just a super comfortable top for Arizona or Washington or wherever, Michigan, Chicago, wherever I stop. But I do like this, and I like the striped pattern. So I'll be right back with the next top. I'm back. Okay, I am wearing the Market and Spruce Allura Twist Back Knit Tank in Cognac in a large. I don't obviously have the right bra on, but this is just so comfortable. Again, the arms fit perfect. This has the keyhole back. I just need to know if anybody has recommendations how you lose this right here. That's all I need to know. It's like I stuck one of those pool floaties right here. That's how I feel. But as you can see, it's got the tank back, so I'd have to get like a different bra for it. But I like how it fits. It's a perfect length here and in the back. I can wear it with like white shorts, my blue jeans. I can wear it probably with beige shorts. It's such a nice color. So, and I like the stripes. So I don't know. What do you think? What do I do about this little roll right there? So I have one more top to try on and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with the last top. I didn't think I would like this top, but I love this top. And this is the, I'm not sure. It's the Market and Spruce Elaine Pocket Short Sleeve in blue, and it's the size large. So this is like the other top, but it's just a different pattern. Super comfortable, you know, a little clingy, but if I suck in and don't breathe for a year, it'll work. So I love the neckline. You know, the arms fit good. So I don't know what to say. I mean, it is so comfortable. I'm outside, it's humid, it's probably, I don't know, 100. And I just feel so comfortable in this outfit, the shorts, the top. So I don't know what to say. So let's just do a recap. So I got the 5 pieces. I have this top that's $30. Let me just reach over here, and then I have this cognac top, and that's $32. And then I have the Tantum high neck Market and Spruce, and it looks like all 4 tops are Market and Spruce, and that's $38. I'm wearing the shorts that are $50. They're the Vigas. And then I have this blue top. Let's see. So this blue top is $30. I think this is the navy, and that's $30. So the total price of this fix, if you can believe it, is $180 for 5 pieces. I don't think I ever have gotten a fix for $180. You take off the buy all 5 discount of $45, the subtotal is $135. And the shipping is free. So the order subtotal is $131, and of course they add that nasty tax. They're going to take away any tax. They should take away sales state tax. So it'll probably be about $145 for 5 pieces. I liked everything. You know, I struggle with that little waistline fat, but that's nobody's fault but my own. So what do you think? Is it a 5 for 5? I mean, these are all summer tops. I probably wouldn't need to buy another summer top for a while. So I need your help. So let me know what was your favorite piece in the comments below. Let me know if it's a 5 for 5, or if you absolutely didn't like something on me and you'd be like, Robin, really? What were you thinking when you kept that top? So as always, you guys have an awesome day. Please hit that subscribe button, press the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.